Now, let me explain to members how MSF handles reports of child abuse or neglect. When we receive reports that raise concerns about the safety of children, we first undertake a comprehensive social investigation. Often our social services move in, rather than immediately the Child Protective Service. We look at factors such as the context, intention, severity, persistence of the abuse or neglect, the likelihood of future harm to the child, and the strengths as well as needs of the families. And in doing so, we are aided by evidence-based assessment tools. Our child protection officers are sensitive to the emotions that may overwhelm the child and are trained to apply trauma-informed practices when interviewing children. We also consult professionals such as psychologists and psychiatrists when needed. The police may concurrently investigate if a criminal offense is reported or suspected to have taken place. Our efforts focus on keeping the family intact with safety plans in place. But when the home environment is unsafe for the child, MSF may have to remove the child from his parents as a last resort. We then work quickly to ensure that the child can be placed in a safe place, whether under the care of his grandparents or other relatives such as aunts and uncles, foster parents, or children's home. And when the child is in out-of-home care, these caregivers who may be extended family members will be able to make decisions for the child in a timely manner. MSF will also work closely with professionals in the child's network of support, such as school counselors and teachers, to review the child's progress from time to time. When needed, we may consult independent panels such as the Committee on Fostering, which comprises a range of professionals from the relevant fields such as education, child psychology, and psychiatry. We will facilitate constant contact between the child and family members where possible to maintain that important relationship. Family reunification, after all, remains the long-term goal for many children in state care. The court may also order the parents to attend counseling or other programs to ensure the well-being and safety of the child, and also make orders to assist the child in recovery. Ms. Sylvia Lim asked if there is financial support for parents to comply with the orders made by the courts. We will ensure that no family will be denied services because they are unable to afford them. For example, MSF does not charge for the services we provide to the families. Our appointed social service agencies also have arrangements to keep their services well accessible to families regardless of their socioeconomic status.